How to deposit Cash App money to bank account 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can deposit your Cash App money into your bank account in the easiest way. And obviously, if you want to use Cash App for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. So to start things off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to Cash App. And once we're in Cash App, what we're going to do over here is we're going to wait for it to load us in. Now, once you're over here, to send your money directly to your bank account, let's say we have a considerable amount in our Cash App. Okay, so it's going to show us here in cash balance. What you're going to do is you're going to click on withdraw. And once you withdraw, obviously you're going to want to make sure that you have a proper deposit section, a place where you can actually withdraw. So to withdraw it to your bank, go to linked banks and you're going to click on link debit card. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to add in your debit card number and all the whatnot details, and that links your bank's credit card to your Cash App. And from there, what you can simply do is go over to your cash balance, withdraw it to your card, and you're good to go. So that is pretty much about it. That is how you can withdraw money easily to your bank account through Cash App. Now, if you want to use Cash App for yourself, again, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get yourself started off right away. And that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.